I'm be unboxing my monitor holder. Holds 4 monitors up to 30 inches. Don't know what the weight is per one. I will put the link in the description below to the one I bought. There's the same ones on eBay for cheaper, but I just wanted it to be sent to me quicker. I haven't opened it yet, but the tape is only this long. Bam. This is how it comes from Amazon. They don't put it in a bigger box. That looks like an arm. Folds. Ah, that's stiff. Why that's so stiff? We'll see once we get there. Yep. Piece of cardboard, if you need a piece of cardboard. Another piece of cardboard, if you need some cardboard. Look, need some styrofoam. Fill all the drafts you have in your house. If you have some more drafts that need fixed. Another one of these. Yep. I'd say that's the second one. Must be something that bolts onto there. Let's check that out in a bit. This is just the unboxing. There you go. Oh, what's this? This looks dangerous. Oh, wow, that's a lot bigger than what I thought it would be. That is huge. It's huge. I got a tape measure here. 4.5 inches. They don't quite tell you how big that is. Whew, it's a monster. 4 inches. And that came with the bigger plate if you're going to mount it through, which is how I'm doing it. It's got a little nipple there. La-ti-da. Some screw holes in the bottom. I'm sure it says more in the instructions. Oh. Let's see, a plate. More screws than I know what to do with. Some spacers. A cock ring. Another thing I don't know what to do with. That's for your monitor. It looks like you can open it from the bag if you open it like that, you can pull it out of a bag. It looks like that could slide on there, which is cool, because then I can have my monitor pre-mounted on there and just put it on there. So if I want to take off my monitor and go to my friend's house in England, just pop it right off. Oh, look, another one. I should open it the same way and show you again. Look, looks like you can put your monitor on there and just slide it on. If you want to take it off and take it to your friend in England's house, you can do it. Oh my God, here's another one. Here, you can take it out of this bag, and then look, if you slide it on like that, you can take it off and take it to your friend's house in England. Fucking hell, we got a fourth one here. Hey, it comes right out of this bag. If you slide it on right there, you can also take off the monitor and take it to your friend's house in England. What's this one do? Look at this. Got a bunch of nuts and bolts and stuff. It does come with Allen wrenches. Multiple Allen wrenches. Multiple holes. Little squiggly knobs if you want to adjust your radio later. It's also all in the bag. Look, I think it's got a thing so you can, if you drill a hole wrong. What's this? Them look like the holders for all the wires. Let's put all that back in there. Oh look, if you have the bag in one of these, you can put it back in the bag. Fucking hell, look, if you have one of these in the bag, you can put it back in the bag. Fucking hell, look, bag thing, you can put it back in the bag. Oh geez, look, another one without a bag. Oh, came with a bag. You can put it back in the bag. Now let's count how many screws there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 of them. 1, 2, 16 of them. Like it's 16, 16, 16. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 16. Or 16 in English. Another one in plates if you're doing this in reverse. Yep. Oh, forgot the tube. There's a threaded tube. It's also in a bag if you want to take it out and go to England. Got a lot of threads in there. They're not sharp, so that means you can strip them out. Woohoo! What else is in here? Another piece of cardboard if you want to shim your table so it doesn't wiggle. Oh look, you get clear to the bottom and you almost have it assembled and BAM! Instructions! With pictures for guys. Oh look, didn't even have to count. Tells you. 16 M5s. Yep. Hopefully it focuses. I've seen the camera the whole time. Does it focus? Pictures for the men, words for the women. That's just the unboxing. If you want to watch, find the video of me putting it together successfully, or go watch somebody else's video that's quicker and can get right to the point. Look, it's a clock. Yep, they have a phone number you can call, which is for English. They even have an SKU if you want to watch a video online that isn't mine. We got 2 pipes. Very strong. How thick that pipe is on the inside. You can see into my soul. Looks like a gun barrel. Yeah, very strong. So if I take that, they are easily scratched because they're not powder coated. Where'd that thing go on the floor? The thing that can go to England if I needed to. Okay, here it is. Found it. This looks like this would screw on there and scratch everything up. And then there's a set screw so it doesn't come undone. There's the hole if you're mounting it straight to the desk. That's all that's in the box for 50 bucks, $50 in metal. There's also another bag if you want to take something else to England.